Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to improve your microphone sound quality. So maybe you're having a problem, your friends don't hear you properly, or you have these when you are like lagging on your microphone. So I'm going to show you how to fix it, but the first step that you actually probably need is you need to have a decent microphone. If you do not have a decent microphone, uh, these tips will probably still help you, but there's only so much these tips can do for you. So anyways, let me get started and let me show you how to improve your microphone quality. So first of all, you're going to go to user settings and you're going to go to voice and video. So first, let's go all the way down to, right here. So you wanna turn this off, and you probably want to put noise suppression to none. Now this suppresses background noise from your microphone. If you have a good microphone, maybe you want to turn that on, put it to standard or crisp. But if you have, well, a bad microphone and you have that lag when you speak, you want to put that to none, because maybe your microphone, Discord, is suppressing your voice because it thinks like it's a background noise. But anyways, you can put it to none, you turn this off, and then you go up here and you check it out. Pretty much when you click this, you can hear yourself. And you determine if noise suppression to standard, none, or crisp helped you. Anyways, another thing that you can do is actually turn this off, and you can adjust this slider. Now, what does this do? Well, basically, all the noise that's right here in the orange part is not heard, and all the voice that's in the green part is heard. So when you have this set to automatically, you have this checked, pretty much Discord determines it on itself. Now you might be thinking, yeah, that's good, that's what you want, but actually that might be bad for you, because after a few minutes of being silent, Discord will automatically, adjust the slider, and the next time you speak, you'll probably not be heard. So you can just adjust this slider however you want, and you can then check it out and see if it helped. Anyways guys, this is it for this tutorial. I hope it helped you. If you liked the video, please subscribe and like it. If you have any questions, ask them in comment section down below. And anyways guys, have a nice day.